Welcome to Market Mindsets, the channel where we make investing simple, approachable, and dare I say, even fun. Whether you're just getting started or looking to sharpen your skills, we break down the world of stocks, ETFs, and everything in between. No jargon, no fluff, just clear, practical information to help you grow your wealth and take control of your financial future. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Imagine this, you're scrolling through your feed and you see yet another headline. Stock markets hit all-time highs. And you think, cool, I guess. Or maybe you heard someone say, if I had just invested in Apple 20 years ago, I'd be rich. Yeah, sure. Thanks, Uncle Dave. That was super helpful. But here's the thing, understanding stocks isn't some secret club for billionaires in fancy suits. It's actually one of the easiest ways to grow your wealth, and you don't need to be a math genius or a Wall Street insider to get it. In fact, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what a stock is, why it matters to you, and how owning just a tiny piece of the right company could change your financial future. Sound good? Let's dive in. Okay, so what even is a stock? At its core, a stock is simply a piece of a company. When a company wants to raise money to expand, build new products, or just grow, they can sell tiny slices of ownership. Those slices, that's a stock. When you buy a stock, you're not just holding a digital number on a screen. You're actually owning a fraction of that company. That's pretty cool, right? Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you and your friend own a lemonade stand. Business is booming. People love your lemonade. But to upgrade from paper cups to fancy glass bottles, you need extra cash. So you decide to sell shares, tiny pieces of ownership, to raise money. If someone buys a share, they own a bit of your lemonade empire. If your stand becomes super successful, those shares become more valuable. Same thing happens with companies like Apple, Disney, or Tesla, but on a much, much bigger scale. When you own stock in a company, you're along for the ride as it grows. But here's the kicker. When the company wins, you win. Okay, so why should you, yes you, sitting on your couch right now, even care about this? Well, here's the truth. If you're not investing, you're missing out on one of the most powerful wealth building tools there is. Think about it. When you leave your money in a regular savings account, it's basically just sitting there, collecting dust. But when you invest in stocks, your money is working for you. And here's the wild part. The US market has historically returned about 10% on average. That means over time, your money could double, triple, or even more just by owning pieces of great companies. Let's say, for example, you invest $100 a month. Nothing crazy, but you do so constantly for 30 years. At 10% average return, you wouldn't just have $36,000. You'd have over $200,000 thanks to the magic of compounding. And that's not get rich quick. It's get rich slow and smart. So what's in it for you when you own these stocks, when you play this slow game? Well, there's a couple things. Growth potential. As companies grow and profit, the value of their shares are going to increase. Dividends. Some companies will even pay you a share of their profits, like a thank you bonus, just for being an owner. And then financial freedom. Investing in stocks is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth. And maybe, just maybe, retire on a beach someday. And the best part? Anyone can do it. You just need to get started. And you don't need a fortune. These days you can invest with as little as a few dollars. Quick disclaimer, and that is all investments come with risks. The stock market can go up, but it can also go down. And there's no guarantees. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research and consider speaking with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. All right, so we've covered what a stock is and why it matters. Now you might be wondering, okay, but how do I actually start investing? That's a great question and a topic I'll be covering in another video, but just find a stock brokerage account and start. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing made simple, and drop a comment below. What's one company you'd love to own a piece of? Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday, and the second best time is right now. I'll see you all in the next one.